Hello everyone, my name is Tammy Odemayo, your favorite therapist. I was asked to make a video about the importance of mental health in the Black community. And it took me a long time to make this video because I had to reflect and introspect and to understand, what are the unconscious stresses that people in the Black communities face. And me just watching the news, I realized that I'm having PTSD reactions. You see Black men being killed, and a lot of that, whether we like it or not, is affecting our mental health. And it's very important to process that, because I look at me driving on the highway and a car being behind me, and all of a sudden I feel tense. Those are traumatic reactions. And in the Black community, all of these things are not being really focused on. And trauma always gets reflected as anger when it's unmanaged. And we've seen that in the riots. So, that being said, mental health is very important. And one of the resources I have used in the past is Restoring the Kings. And that has been a great platform to feel safe and express whatever it is we're feeling. It's kind of like AA or NA for, stresses that Black men face. This is a very good platform for you to use if you need to talk about anything that you don't feel comfortable talking about with a coworker or whatever the case may be. Use this platform. Once again, remember that if you're bleeding, it is good to address the wound, because if you keep bleeding, it gets worse. The same thing goes with your mental health. If you do not address it, it gets worse. Thank you.